UFO trying to steal our net. I'm not right. They did my net. Fucking Jesus, asshole. If you weren't here, I wouldn't have fucking did it. What do I went to your house to start taking your shit? It's all the same. Province-wide. So you guys are targeting native. No, already they have a conservation plan in place. Well, oh yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Because there's been white people all the time. See how natives. Oh. What, so you can go fucking charge us? You guys don't help nobody except freaking white people. You guys done? Are you going to give us our net back or no?
No.
No. It's my family's It's family fishery. This is harassment, boys. We are legally fishing. We have a right to fish. Fucking right to fish. You use my
You
net.
were down there fishing, correct?
No. You guys pulled up. You guys missed them. You didn't even look up. Walked right by them.
Okay.
And there's friggin' 50 of them here every night. And all of a sudden, they're not here tonight, but you guys are. So in other words, you tipped them all off that don't tell the fucking white guys not to fish here.
I can tell you we didn't do that.
Yeah, you did. You obviously did. There's nobody here. Allowed to fish?
That's correct.
Saying not at all. We're Micmac fishermen is not allowed to fish here. Anywhere in the province. What's your name and back?
Straight Marine.
You're coming out to the...
I shoot for rights. I support your treaty rights. I recognize...
No, you don't. You're sure you don't, though.
I'm here to
You don't need a license. We were here before anybody. You don't need a license. That's our right. I know you're sorry. You're just trying to be a menace to take our livelihood away from us. That's exactly what you're doing. You just swarmed 3 vehicles, just swarmed in here, and you know the natives are here.